It's a big question with a simple answer. Does the guy I like me too? I'm going to tell you how you can find out without letting him know your feelings. And if it turns out he doesn't, I'll give you a powerful method that will change the way he sees you forever. This simple technique will have you turning all the guys' heads, especially that special someone. I'm Amy North, YouTube's relationship, dating, love, devotion, and passion expert. This video you're watching was inspired by a recent letter I received from a fan named Liz. Dear Amy, there's a guy I like at school. We're friends with all the same people, and when I see him, it's like there's sparks. I catch his eye from across the room sometimes, and he'll smile. But he never really talks to me when we're around other people. We've never hung out, just us. We stop and talk when we see each other. He's texted a few times, but it never went anywhere. My friend says he's shy, but I still see him talking to other girls. Does he like me or not? Please help, Liz. Thanks for writing, Liz. I usually don't answer emails like this in my video, but I get this one so often that I knew I needed to make a video about it. First off, I feel your pain. Guys can be really tough to read, especially if they're shy. In fact, the more a guy likes you, the harder it can be for him to make that first move. So we're going to cover some of the ways the two of you interact to see if they mean he does or doesn't like you. Then I'll give you some questions to answer to clarify something. And I'll tell you the mindset you should have that will give you your best chance of getting him interested if he's not already. This video is for anyone who likes the guy but can't tell if he feels the same about them. So let's get into it. First, let's talk about shy guys. Your friend says he's shy, but you see him talking with other girls. The fact that he has no problem talking to other girls but is shy around you is actually a great sign. This means you make him nervous because he's worried about what you think of him. With other girls, he's able to be more confident because he has nothing to lose. If he gets flustered, turns red in the face, or seems to be having trouble being his usual self around you, this is a sign you're in his head. Based on what you said, I'd say you have a lot to feel good about. He's definitely friendly with you, and there's nothing that you said that makes him seem like he sees you as just a friend, which is what you have to worry about. The fact that he doesn't talk to you around other people isn't the bad sign it might seem like. In fact, it's actually a good sign. Similar to him being flustered around you, it means that he's being careful. He doesn't want to make a mistake around you. But none of these are real sure signs, except one. The eye contact and the smile are clear indicators. Guys don't do that to girls that they see as just a friend. Sneaking glances like that is a sure sign of romantic feelings. I'd pretty much stake my reputation as a dating coach that he is, at the very least, quite interested in you. Congrats, Liz. But keep watching. Maybe you have your eye on a guy like Liz, but he isn't making the same eye contact. I'm going to take you through some questions to ask yourself to try to narrow down his feelings for you. First off, are we compatible? Sadly, there's no way to read guys' minds, although I'm working on it. So it's important to take a look at what we do know. Leave your feelings out of it. Do you two seem like a good match? What do you know about his dating history? Has he dated girls like you before? Have you dated guys like him before? Do you share the same outlook on life, opinions, and preferences? This isn't strictly necessary. Sometimes opposites do attract, but it's good to be realistic about your chances. 2, is he reaching out? Guys reaching out to you can look like 1,000 different things. Everything from flirting, giving you a hug, or pulling your pigtails. What ties them all together is that he goes out of his way to approach and interact with you, rather than ignoring your presence. If he knows you exist and never speaks to you, even when you're giving him every opportunity, then this isn't a good sign. So, what if he doesn't like you? Is all hope lost? Not at all. I've actually created a whole program that guides you through, step by step, a simple, foolproof way to make him fall for you and fall hard. To get it, just go to CoachNorth.com. I've prepared a video that will explain my devotion system in detail. Go check it out. Whatever you've been doing hasn't been working, so why not try it another way? Just head on over to CoachNorth.com. Again, that's CoachNorth.com, and watch that short video presentation. Number 3, trust your gut. Don't discount the power of intuition. This requires you to be brutally honest with yourself. Obviously, you have feelings for this guy. Do you think he feels the same way? Go over the conversations you've had with him, how he treats you, the way he looks at you. Think about other guys who have liked you. Did they treat you the way he does? Put your own hopes and dreams aside and be really honest. There you have it. By now you should have a pretty good idea, one way or another, if you have a shot with him. Still not sure? I told you at the beginning of this video that I'd tell you the mindset you need to have to get him to like you if he doesn't already. Here it is. Stop asking, does he like me? And start asking, do I like him? It might seem stupid, of course you like him. Why else would you be trying to figure this out? But let me explain. If you're focusing all of your energy on him, you're putting yourself at a disadvantage. Whether or not you think it affects your actions, it can subconsciously put you in the role of the pursuer without even knowing. You're trying to get closer to him and he's pulling away. Don't make this mistake. Many men like to be the ones to chase the woman they're interested in. If you're too interested right away, he may lose interest. Or maybe he still likes you, but he doesn't know how to move forward because you've put yourself in the driver's seat. Take a step back. You can avoid this problem by continuing to ask yourself, do I like him? When you choose speak, really listen and try to figure out what his words say about him. Is this the kind of guy you want to be with? Don't be judgmental or mean, just be watchful, careful, and honest about him. If you can keep asking this question and keep your mind clear of all that lovey-dovey stuff for a little while, at least, you'll find that he's trying harder to impress you without even knowing it. This can be all it takes to hook a guy. Thanks for writing, Liz, and to everyone else, thank you for watching. What do you think? Does Liz have a shot? Let me know in the comments below. If this video helped you, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel. You better believe that I have all the answers you need when it comes to love. And again, if you want to learn some more sneaky psychological tactics to get that guy chasing you harder than ever before, just head on over to CoachNorth.com and watch that full featured video.